Hello guys, welcome to Trade Engineer. I just want to quickly explain that how last two trading session John 5th and 6th John 6th and 7th trading was very opportunistic trades. Let me explain quickly. So when you see the John 6th trade, it was gap down and it was downtrended and it came back and you know and the Jan 7th trade was gap up and pullback was happen. So how can we use this opportunity? So if it is a gap down, so it downtrend was continuing, and how we know downtrend was stopped and it is going to pull back. So there was a good support level at 37,150. So it took that support and it was not succeeded to break that support. So the downtrend was adjusted and it was pulled back to it was pulled back. So to what extent it get pulled back, that is wherever gap formed, the gap act, if it is uptrend, the gap act like a support. If it is a downtrend, the gap act like a resistance. So it was moved there and it was not able to sustain. Sorry for that, I didn't draw the full gap box. So the gap you can see, right? It went there, it was it was there was some gap. The gap where it is formed, it acts as a resistance. So it took, it was not succeeded to break that resistance and again it came back. So if you see John 7th trade also, it went the open was gap up and strongly it ramp up to 600 points. There was a 38,000 resist. At 38,000 there was a resistance. It was not able to break that resistance. The bullish view got exhausted and the trend reversed. The trend reversed to at what extent? The gap where it is formed, it acts like a support. So again it hit up move. So how many trading opportunities you got? While up moving you got one opportunity, and while pulling back you got one opportunity, and again it took support of gap and again moved. So total 3 trading opportunities here, and Jan 6 also total 3 trading opportunities. So in the this is a short video I'm making of. So there is a full video in my channel as well. So if you want, you can, if you want clear analysis, you can see over there. So I'm trying to say is the gap down or gap up with with volume supporting. So you can confirm that it is a downtrend or uptrend. So you can flow with the uptrend or downtrend, and you can see that where it is stopping. I mean, at support level it not able to break it. So you book the profit and you take the call option, and you at the gap when it is reaching the gap resistance, you book the profit and you take the put option. And when it comes to Jan 7th trade, so it is gapping up, so you take the call option and you will stay there. As an it reach the resistance, be cautious there, and if it is not able to break the resistance for at least 1 or 2 minutes, 1 minute only it should break, otherwise it cannot break. I mean, see, if it is not a good resistance, bullish view is still there, it will go with long candles, it will not wait there. So book the profit of call option and take the put option, and book the profit at gap where the support level is there. See, always in downtrend gap acts as a resistance, in the uptrend gap acts as a support. So you book the profit at support. Still you are not happy with your money which you gained, again you start taking the call option at support level and gain the here By the time this is happening, the almost closing you know be market hours will be closing nearby. So don't take risk, just take 20 or 30 points and come out of it, book the profit. So I just explained the same thing, I mean, in a clear way. So if you guys like this, please go and watch the full video over there. I just made this video for for short video. Hope you guys like this and use this technique. Don't fall for trap uptrend or trap downtrend. So this gaps up or gap down should be supported by the volume. If you see volume and gap up, you can strongly believe that it is a true one, and you can take the trades. So this is how you can take the opportunity of gap up or gap down. Please, if you like this video, if you like this video, please support me and subscribe my channel. I will be explaining my trading experience every day. So hope this will be useful, you guys. See you guys. I will see you guys on Monday. Let's see how the trade will be. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please keep supporting me.